Hi there! Today we're going to take a journey back in time to explore one of the most important events in Indian history, the making of the Indian Constitution. This was a momentous occasion that led to the creation of the document that would shape the future of India as an independent nation. It all started in 1947, when India gained independence from British rule. The newly formed Indian government realized that they needed a constitution to govern the country and drafted a committee to create one. The committee was led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. Dr. Ambedkar, along with other committee members, worked tirelessly for 2 years to draft the Constitution. They faced many challenges, such as balancing the power between the central and state governments, defining the rights of citizens, and representing the diverse cultures and religions of India. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, also played a vital role in the making of the Constitution. He believed that the Constitution should be a reflection of India's democratic values and should ensure that all citizens were treated equally. Finally, on November 26, 1949, the Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly. This was a significant moment in Indian history, as it represented the first time that India had a constitution that defined the country's laws and governing principles. The Constitution of India is a remarkable document that embodies the principles of democracy, equality, and justice. It provides a framework for the government to function and protects the rights of all citizens. It has helped to shape India into the diverse and thriving nation that it is today. In conclusion, the making of the Indian Constitution was a challenging but essential process that helped to establish India as an independent democratic nation. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Jawaharlal Nehru were key figures in this process, and their contributions continue to be celebrated today. We hope this journey back in time has helped you understand the significance of the Indian Constitution and how it has helped shape India's history.